Hello students, myself Mrs. Parab. Today I am going to teach you a topic of English grammar. Before that, let me tell you, to learn English, you need to learn lots of words, and a group of words together makes the sentences. I hope you got the topic. Today's topic is the sentences. Now let me tell you how many types of sentences are there. There are four types of sentences. There are four types of sentences. The first one is the statement. You can also tell it as declarative or also as assertive. So statement means what? Statements means if I say Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Here this sentence shows you that it is telling something, that Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. It is not showing any expressions or any feeling, neither any questions. It is just simply declaring it. Or if I say one more example, Delhi is the capital of India. This sentence also gives a statement. It declares that Delhi is a statement of India. So this sentence is known as statement, which simply tells something. If I say Rahul is a good boy, so in this sentence something is being told about Rahul, that Rahul is a good boy. It is just simply statement, and the statement, it ends with full stop. To make a complete sentence of statement, you need to end with a full stop. So second type of sentence is imperative. Now what is imperative? Imperative means when in a statement, when in a sentence, it shows like something like to order someone or to give command or to request someone. Like if I say, please give me a glass of water. Here this is also a sentence. It ends with full stop. But the tone, the way of saying shows that I am requesting, please can I have a glass of water? Or if I say, go and shut the door. This sentence shows that I am giving order, that go and shut the door. If your teacher says in the classroom that keep quiet, it is a command. Keep quiet. Sit straightly. This shows a command. So when in a sentence you see that it is a request, a command, or it is an order, that shows it is imperative sentence. So we come to third sentence. Third type of sentence is interrogative. Interrogative means WH type sentence. Interrogative always ends with question marks, because this sentence shows us to ask something, to ask a question. As I told, Rahul is a good boy. That was statement. But when I say, is Rahul is a good boy? Now see the expression. It comes as questioning, that Rahul is a good boy or not. So when you get a question in a sentence, that is called interrogative. For example, if I say, what is your name? So this sentence shows that you are asking some question. What is your name? Where is my book? So these all sentences ends with question mark, and it shows you are asking something. And when you ask something, that is called interrogative sentence. Like previously I told in statement, Delhi is capital of India. And if I say, which state is the capital of India? So this shows you are questioning something. So this is interrogative sentence. I hope you all are understanding. Yes. Now we come to the fourth type of sentence. Fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, it always ends with a mark of exclamatory. That is a straight line, standing line, and below it there is a dot. And an exclamatory sentence shows feeling. It shows feeling. For example, if I say, it's hurting. So the word it's hurting shows feeling, that it's hurting me. So such type of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. If I say, oh, it's very cold here. Oh, it's very cold here. That shows the feeling of that I'm feeling very cold, and my expressions come out, my feelings come out. So when in a sentence your feelings come out, that sentence is known as exclamatory sentence. If I say, alas, we didn't won the match. Now here my feelings are sad, but you can see my feeling, that my feelings came of sadness. That type of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. So how many types of sentences we learned today? First is statement, second is imperative, third is interrogative, and fourth is exclamatory. Statement, which simply declares something; imperative, which orders something, give a command or request for something; and third is interrogative, when you are questioning, you are asking some questions; and fourth is exclamatory, when your feelings are coming out. Wow, it's a wonderful place, amazing place. Ah, something is hurting me. Ah, something is itching me. So these are four types of sentences which comes in the sentences. So you can say kinds of sentences. Okay, once again I'll tell you, a group of words together make sentences, and there are four types of sentences. First is statement, second is imperative, third is interrogative, and fourth is exclamatory. I hope you all understood. Bye bye, stay safe, stay home. We'll meet you soon with a new topic of English grammar.